This video tutorial I will explain how to download and install JDK 18 in Windows operating system. Go to this Oracle website. Here you can see Java 18 and here you can see the installer for Linux operating system. Here you can see the installer for Mac OS operating system. Here you can see the installer for Windows operating system. Click on this to download. Click on this exe file to install. Click on next. Click on change. I am giving this path to install JDK. Click OK. Click on next. Click on close. Here you can see JDK 18, which is successfully installed inside C drive Java folder. Click on bin folder. Copy this path. We have to add this path in the environment variable so that all Java commands will work. Click on this PC. Right click. Click on properties. Here you can see advanced system settings. Click on this and here you can see environment variables in the system properties pop-up. Click on this. Here you can see system variables. Select this path. Click on edit. Click on new. Paste the path. Click on OK. Click on OK. Click on OK. Then open the command prompt. Check Java version using this command. And here you can see Java version is 18.0.2.1 and Java commands are working. So JDK 18 is successfully installed. Here you can see hello world.java program. We will see how to run this program and see the output. Copy this path. Now I am compiling the hello world Java program. And here you can see the class file is created. And to run Java program, use this command. And here you can see the output, hello world. Now we will see how to set JDK 18 in Eclipse and run the hello world Java program. and here you can see the Hello World Java program. Click on Windows, Preference, and expand this Java, and click on Installed JREs. Click on Add, and select the Java 18 installation directory. Click on Finish. Select JDK 18, apply and close. Now run this program, and here you can see the output Hello World, and for execution it has used JDK 18 0.21. Here you can see. You can get the Java source code link from the description section of the video. To see the description in mobile, click on this icon and it will expand like this. Then click on this more button to see the description. And in the description, you can see the links. And click on these links to get the Java source code.